morning students, bonjour. Today we are going to start with the revision of lesson 0. So first of all, open your books on page number 9. We are going to start with the revision today. So page number 9, lesson 0. Vous connaissez la France? It means, do you know France? So vous connaissez la France? You can write the meanings in your books as well and the pronunciation as well, only with pencil. So be ready with your pencils and write the meanings in your book itself. Vous connaissez la France? It means, do you know France? France is often called l'hexagone because of its shape. It is called l'hexagone. L'hexagone. So, because of its shape. So here on page number 9, you can see that France is likely of the shape of a hexagon. So it is also known as l'hexagone because of its shape. So if I ask you, why is France known as l'hexagone? So you will say France is known as l'hexagone because of its shape. It occupies a favorable position in the European continent. So France is a country, it's a very famous country in the whole wide world, and it is located in Europe, in the continent Europe. So it owns a favorable position in the European continent, and it is between the Mediterranean Sea and the English Channel. So it occupies a favorable position in the European continent between the Mediterranean Sea and the English Channel. Paris is the capital of France. So what is the capital of France? It is Paris. Paris is also known as La Ville Lumière. La Ville Lumière. So Paris is also known as La Ville Lumière. It means the city of lights. La means the, Ville means city, Lumière means of lights. So the city of lights. And it is known so because of its role during the age of enlightenment, and also because Paris was the first one to use gas street lights. So there are two reasons why Paris is known as La Ville Lumière or the city of lights. Because first is because of its role during the age of enlightenment, and the second one is because it was the first place to use gas street lights. France is well known for its museums. Le Louvre, Musée d'Orsay. Now France is a very famous country and it is famous for a lot of its things, or a lot of its monuments or places or landmarks, and even its cuisine. So here we are going to learn about that. So France is well known for its museums. So two museums here are given, Le Louvre and Musée d'Orsay. Musée d'Orsay. Louvre is a very famous museum, and I think told you in class 5th that Louvre is a museum in which the famous painting of Mona Lisa is kept. So Le Louvre and Musée d'Orsay are two famous museums of France. And its landmarks, its famous landmarks are La Tour Eiffel, so the Eiffel Tower, La Tour Eiffel, La Cathédrale de Notre Dame, that is the Cathedral of Notre Dame, and Les Châteaux and its palaces. So, three landmarks, important landmarks of France: La Tour Eiffel, La Cathédrale de Notre Dame, and Les Châteaux. Its wine, France is very famous for its wine and cheese and its cuisine. So, the wines that are famous are Le Bordeaux and Le Bourgogne. Le Bourgogne and Le Bordeaux. Its cheese that it's famous for is Le Camembert and Le Gruyère. Camembert and Gruyère. And it is also a fashion hub. It is known as the fashion city of the world. So the two famous fashion designers that are given here are Christian Dior. Christian Dior, he's very famous, and Yves Saint Laurent. Yves Saint Laurent. Even your pens that of Perry Cardin that come are also of a French brand, that is Perry Cardin. So this is what we have learned today, and now we are going to revise. So France is known as l'hexagone because of its shape, because it is the shape of a hexagon. It is in the European continent and it lies between the Mediterranean Sea and English Channel. Its capital is Paris, which is known as La Ville Lumière, which means the city of lights. And it is known as La Ville Lumière, or the city of lights, because of its role during the age of enlightenment, and because Paris was the first place to ever use gas street lights. It is famous for a lot of things, and the famous museums of France are Le Louvre and Musée d'Orsay. And its landmarks are La Tour Eiffel, Notre Dame, le Cathédrale de Notre Dame, and les Châteaux. And wines that are famous are Le Bourgogne and Le Bordeaux. Le Bourgogne and Le Bordeaux. Famous cheese are Le Camembert and Le Gruyère. And fashion, Christian Dior, Yves Saint Laurent. That is all for today. Now be sure to practice the pronunciations and learn the difficult words that we learned today, the new words that are the French words, and revise it thoroughly. Thank you and have a nice day.